In last lecture, we saw how to find the value of trigonometric function on different angle, right? We learned that suppose you are given a unit circle, right? So this is your unit circle. Then this is 0. I am writing only angle pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2. This is origin and this is 2 pi. This is x-axis and this is y-axis, right? Any angle on this vertical line means in a multiple of pi by 2, function is change. Function is change means sine change to cos and cos change to sine. Tan change to cot and cot change to tan. And sec change to cosec and cosec change to sec. That you know. हमने ये अगले लेक्चर में देखा था, right? And if angle is in multiple of pi, there is no change, means function remain as it is, right? And then according to plus or minus sign, you have to move in the quadrant and check the sign of that given function, right? So I give you some examples for practice, right? So sin pi minus theta is obviously you learn in 10th standard, all are change. Sin pi minus theta is sin theta, cos pi minus theta is sin pi minus theta, sin 90 minus theta, that is pi by 2 minus theta, right? Sin pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta, cos pi by 2 minus theta is sin theta, tan pi by 2 minus theta is cot theta. You learn in 10th standard, so that will okay with you. Now for this angle, pi by 2 plus x, right? Now pi by 2 plus x, I am just checking with your answers. Pi by 2 plus x, so pi by 2 is here, plus means in anti-clockwise direction either increase means 90 plus in second quadrant. In second quadrant which function is positive, so sine and cosec are positive, right? All other are negative function. So change, okay, change because multiple of pi by 2, so change. So sine answer is cos theta, cosec answer is sec theta. Got it? And all other are minus. Check your answer now. All other are minus, and you have to change the function also, right? Means cos, sine minus, tan minus cot minus tan, sec minus cosec, and cosec we get the answer. Got it? Verify your answers now like this. Then pi minus theta. Now pi minus theta means second quadrant. This is pi माइनस लेस करना है तो सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट हो गया, 180 में से लेस करेंगे तो 170, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट आ गया. सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में अगेन साइन एंड कोसेक आर प्लस, सो साइन एंड कोसेक हैज प्लस साइन, otherwise all are negative. So your answer will be sin pi minus theta sin theta and cosec pi minus theta is cosec theta, and all other remaining are negative. There is cos pi minus theta minus cos, tan minus tan, cot minus tan. Check with your answer, right? Cot minus cot, sec minus sec, and we get cosec. Got it? So according to this you have to check the answers. अब पता चलेगा ना, आप वेरीफाई कर लेंगे ना. सो वी आर नॉट वेस्टिंग अ टाइम. वंस वी रिवाइज दिस, हमने एक बार रिवाइज भी कर लिया, मैंने दिखा भी दिया कैसे आपको चेक करना है, तो आप चेक कर सकते हैं, राइट? तो ये आपको पता है, वो यूज करके हमें ये वैल्यू जो है वो गिवन फंक्शंस की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. सो व्हाट इज गिवन? sin 31 pi by 3. सो इट इज गिवन sin 31 pi by 3. सो दिस इज 31 pi by 3. राइट? सिंपली फॉरगेट दिस पाई दिया ही नहीं ऐसा समझो, तो 31 डिवाइड बाय 3 करेंगे तो 10 पॉइंट समथिंग आंसर आता है, राइट? सो कैन आई राइट लाइक दिस 31 एज sin 30 pi plus pi is 31 divide by 3, right? 30 pi plus pi 31. डिविजिबल नंबर चाहिए मुझे, तो डिविजिबल नंबर 31 का either you can divide by these 3. So 3 1 जा 3, 0 and 1, so not 0, so 0.0, 3 point this, right? So you have one remainder here, So 10 plus, this is either you can write like this, 31 by 3 is equal to 10 plus remainder 1 divided by 3. So you can write like this, 10 into 3, 30 plus 1, 31 divided by 3, right? Either you can write 10 into 1 upon 3, that's also okay. So I am writing this, all figure, these and these are same, right? Now bifurcating this, what we get? Sine 10 pi plus pi by 3, sine 10 pi plus pi by 3. So your angle here is in multiple of pi, and multiple of pi, coefficient of pi is even number, and you know even number lies on right hand side, right? 0, 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi. If we go here, first rotation 0 to pi, after finishing second rotation you will get 4 pi here. So even number in multiple of pi, right, lies in right hand side, and odd numbers lies in left hand side, right? Odd numbers lies in left hand side. मैं आपकी डायरेक्शन में दिखाने के लिए ऐसा खड़ा रहता हूं मैं. राइट हैंड साइड ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव, राइट हैंड साइड, राइट? See your right hand side always even numbers, multiple of pi, that is 0, 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, and left hand side always odd numbers, pi, 3 pi, 5 pi, 7 pi, 9 pi, 11 pi, like that. Positive y axis pi by 2, then add 4, that is 5 pi by 2, right? Then 9 pi by 2. Did you get this? देखो first rotation हो गया 2 pi, that is 4 pi by 2. Then this is 5 pi by 2, this is 6 pi by 2, that is 3 pi, this is 7 pi by 2, that is, right? And this is 8 pi by 2, that is 4 pi, again 9 pi by 2. In this way, if we rotate, right, after completion of one revolution we get 2 pi, 4 pi, because one revolution is 360 degree, either 2 pi radian, right? So see here, pi by 2, 5, 9. So y axis multiple of pi by 2 with 4 increasing. So first pi by 2, second is 1 plus 4, 5 pi by 2 plus 4, 9 pi by 2. And on y dash axis, what you get? On y dash axis 3 pi by 2 first, then you remember 0, pi by 2, pi, and 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, that you have to remember. So 3 pi by 2 first, then add 4. So 7 pi by 2, then add 4, 11 pi by 2, then add 4, 15 pi by 2. So these are the angles that you have to remember. Got it? Now this is 10 pi, means right hand side of pi multiple. So right hand side means this is your 10 pi. I am not drawing up this unit circle fully. So 10 pi is here because even number. Now plus means increasing, either anti-clockwise direction. Now from here increases means you have to go into first quadrant. तो हम फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में चले गए, और फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में साइन पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, पॉजिटिव, ऑल एसटीसी, ऑल पॉजिटिव, राइट? सो ऑल पॉजिटिव. So first quadrant sign is positive, so plus answer. Now change, no change, so answer is sin pi by 3. So sin pi by 3, that is sin 60. Answer of sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So this is your answer, root 3 by 2. पता चला? Once again, फिर से एक बार, हाँ? 31 pi by 3 is given. Forget now sign. 31 pi by 3 first, right? हमको 31 pi by 3 दिया है. क्या करना है? Divide by 3 करो, तो रिमाइंडर क्या आया? 1. So 31 pi by 3 can be written as 10 plus 1 upon 3 that you learn in lower standard. So वो लिख दिया. तो मेरे पास पाई भी था, तो पाई से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. Either you can write like directly writing this, either you can write this. आप ये भी लिख सकते हैं, डायरेक्टली ये भी लिख सकते हो, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मुझे आंसर चाहिए. So this is you get here. Got it? Fine. Good. Okay. Now after writing this, 10 pi. 10 pi means multiple of pi, means x axis, and multiple of pi by 2 means y axis. Now this is a even number, means right hand side. So even number is right hand side. Then plus means first quadrant, plus means increase. So first quadrant, in first quadrant sign positive all, so positive. Change x axis, no change, no change. See the direction of my head, no change, right? So sine will become sine and angle pi by 3, so sine pi by 3, and that you know root 3 by 2. Got it? Suppose आपको एक एग्जांपल और बताऊं, साइन 210 डिग्री दिया तो क्या करेंगे डिग्री में 210, तो आपको पता है जो वेल नोन वैल्यू है जो एक्सिस का वो आपको पता है 0, 90, 180, 270, 360 like that. So this is 210. That is, can I write like this? Sin 180 plus 30. Sin 180 plus 30. Can I write like this? Okay. Now 180 means pi. 180 is pi is here, left hand side. So pi is here, left hand side. This is pi, either 180 degree. Now plus means which quadrant? Third quadrant. In third quadrant, all as t. Tan is positive and cot is positive. What is given? Sine. So sine is negative. Answer is minus. Change? No change because x-axis no change. So sine remains sine. Answer is 30. So answer is minus. Sine 30 is 1/2. Either you can write here also. This is 270. That you know this is 270. So I am writing here sine 270 minus 60 is again 210. Now 270 is here. Minus means you have to decrease. So decrease means you have to come here in third quadrant. Less करना है. Third quadrant sine negative 270 means here vertical line change. Sine will be changed into cos. So cos and angle is 60 and cos 60 is again you know value is half. So we will get same answer. आपको जो याद आए, आपको जो पता है वो अप्लाई कीजिए. मैथ्स में एग्जांपल एन मेथड से होता है, आपको कोई भी मेथड है वो एडॉप्ट करनी है. गॉट इट? Now this is find the value of cos minus 1710. So given function is cos minus 1710. First of all, this is minus, and we learn even function and odd function. Cos is even function, so cos minus theta, right? Cos is even function, so cos minus theta is equal to cos theta, that you know, right? So cos minus 1710 is equal to cos 1710. Now this is a big number for you. Don't worry. Multiply by 360. After one complete revolution, we are coming here. That is 360 degree, starting from 0. 360 degree multiply by 1710 है, right? 3 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 1500 होगा. 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 1500, राइट? देन 7 है तो 350 होगा. तो 360 into 5 कीजिए, क्या होता है? 36 into 5 180 होता है, तो 1800 हो जाएगा. 1800 इसके करीब है तो वो लिख सकते हैं हम. तो क्या लिख सकते हैं? दिस इज cos, राइट? cos कितना रिवोल्यूशन होगा? फर्स्ट में 360 आया, सेकंड में 720 आएगा, तो कितना रिवोल्यूशन हो गया? 5 रिवोल्यूशन हो गया. सो 5 times 360 that is 1800 minus 90 degree होगा. This is 5 times 360 degree, right? So after first complete revolution we get 360. After second we get 720. Third, fourth, and after fifth rotation we are coming here and then minus 90. Now this is 5 times 360 means here, then minus, right? So this is your, see here, this is your 1800, right? 1800. This is minus means which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cos is all as T C. Cos and sec are positive, so cos is here, so positive, so answer is plus. Change horizontal line, no change, answer is cos theta is 90 and cos 90 is 0. So this is your answer. Okay, got it? और एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ sin 765 डिग्री. Right? So we have to find out the value of 765 degree. So given function is sin 765 degree. This is sin. One complete revolution 360 degree, that you know. 36 into 2 720. So can we write this? So this is sin 2 times. This is sin 2 times 360 degree, right? Plus 720, right? Plus how much? 45. This is your answer. Now 720 means we are here now. This is your 720. Then plus means first quadrant, and in first quadrant sign is all positive. So sign is positive. Change x axis, no change. Answer is sin 45 degree. So answer is sin 45 degree, that is sin 45 is 1 upon root 2. Sin 45 is 1 upon root 2. Got it? Now question number 7, page 63. Find the value of cosec minus 1410. So given cosec minus 1410 degree. Now cosec is odd function or even function? Odd function. So cosec is odd function. So as we learn, cosec minus x is equal to minus cosec x. This is the definition of odd function. As you know, f of minus x is equal to minus fx. Then f is said to be a odd function. F is odd function, that you know, right? So this is odd function. So answer of this is minus cosec x. So therefore this is equal to minus cosec 1410 degree. Cosec 1410 degree. Got it? Right? Now 1410. So after completing 3 or 4 revolution, complete 4 revolution, you will get this. So 4 revolution means 360 multiplied by 4. How much we get? 360 multiplied by 4. How much you get? 360 multiplied by 4. Multiply this. 360 by 4. How much? Multiply 1220 plus this is 630 into 4. That is 1200. And 60 into 4. 24. That is 240. So 0444. 1440. What is your answer? 1440. So this is minus cosec, right? 4 revolution of 360 plus or minus. This is 1440 and this is 1410. So we have to subtract. So this is minus 30. So 4 complete revolution. 4 complete revolution means here. Then minus. So minus means this is your 1440 minus means fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant all STC cos and sec are positive and this is cosec, so negative. So this is minus and sign of this is minus, right? Already minus is there. For this sign is minus because in fourth quadrant sec. Change, no change. So answer will be cosec 30 degree. Minus minus plus. Cosec 30 is 2. So answer will be 2. Got it? Suppose you are given question number 8. Same exercise. So question number 8. Find the value of tan 19 pi by 3. Tan 19 pi by 3. Okay. So what to do? Divide by 3. That is 6 3s are 18. So this is 10. 6 3s are, that is 6 pi plus pi by 3, because this is 18 plus 1. this is like this. If you want to write 18 pi plus pi by 3, 19, right? So 6 into 3, 18 plus 1, 19 pi by 3. Now 6 pi, multiple of even numbers of pi means right hand side. So 6 pi is here, plus means first quadrant. In first quadrant all are positive, so 10 is positive. Change x axis, no change, so answer is 10 pi by 3, and 10 pi by 3 answer is root 3. So this is your answer, root 3, right? Then sine minus 11 pi by 3, that is question number 9. So question number 9, sine minus 11 pi by 3. So 11 pi by 3. Again, cosine is odd function, so sine is also odd function. So sine is odd function, sine is odd function. So by definition what we get? Sine minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. So sine minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. So this is therefore sine minus 11 pi by 3 is equal to minus sine 11 pi by 3. Now 3 into 4, 12, and here 11, 1 less, and 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. So there is 2 and there is a difference of 1, and here is 2. So take a minimum difference. So I am writing here, this is minus sine 4 pi minus pi by 3. I am taking less difference. Always take a less difference. So 4 into 3, 12 minus pi. Or either can I write 12 pi minus pi by 3? It's okay now, right? So 4 into 3, 12 pi minus pi. Got it? ये पता चल रहा है ना आपको? Okay, 4 pi. Again 4 pi is here. Minus again fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant sign is negative. So answer will be minus x axis 4 pi, on x axis no change. So answer is sin pi by 3. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2, and minus plus. So this is root 3 by 2 is your answer, right? So last question, that will homework for you. So homework question number 10. Question number 10, page 63. Okay, given cot minus 15 pi by 4, solve yourself. Answer will be 1. Okay, do it yourself. जो हमने अभी देखा वो प्रैक्टिस के लिए सब आपको दे रहा हूँ. ये 13 सम है, वो आपको घर पे प्रैक्टिस करना है. जो प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन परफेक्ट, आपको तो ही कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट सम है जो हमारे आगे जाएंगे पर डे, तब ये बहुत ही यूजफुल है. तो आपको इसका प्रैक्टिस करना है, तो ये आप लिख लीजिए. ओके, सो दिस इज फॉर होमवर्क, डू इट योरसेल्फ. ओके.